how to put this information into AI and really summarize it. I'm going to go to my AI chat. So this is my AI chat. Now, I am wanting to put this in a very nice, concise, 3-paragraph type of summary. I am going to type in, I will share Ingafay's whole video script. I want you to read it and summarize everything you read in 3 casual conversational paragraphs. I'm going to put a bracket here. I'm going to go over here and grab this script, come back to my Now site. I'm going to paste it in, and then I am going to close off the bracket, and we're going to hit do it. We'll just enter, and that's what it did. And here's the summary. Now, isn't that cool?